Hey everyone, if you want to uninstall DroidCam from your phone or computer, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to completely remove DroidCam in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, close the DroidCam app on your phone and exit the DroidCam client on your computer. This ensures the application isn't running during the uninstall process. On your Windows PC, open the Settings app, go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features depending on your Windows version. Find DroidCam in the list, click it, and choose Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to remove the program from your computer. Next, if you have the DroidCam app installed on your Android phone or iPhone, open your device's app settings, find DroidCam, and tap Uninstall or Remove app. Yeah, you can also uninstall it directly from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After the uninstall is complete, restart your computer and phone. This helps remove any remaining background processes and ensures the changes are fully applied. If you plan to reinstall DroidCam later, simply download the latest version from the official website or your device's app store and follow the installation steps again. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled DroidCam from your devices. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next